Hello, trading is closed on October 8th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Before I do, I want to tell you I have not had much time to look at the market today. I don't know if any of you ever had shingles vaccine, but I had the second stage today. It causes a big flu-like illness, and I've been in bed most of the day. So let's just see what we can do. I don't know where that came from. Look for lower prices and got them. Said the pattern is normally bullish. When it fails, you get a straight line drop. Just like that. This is the pattern with the early high. Tends to rally into the close. When it doesn't, you expect further weakness. We had this target, it printed. Normally there's support under the target, but since we came so close, the support goes away. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. Well, during the day, MEJT said this rally was false. Price would retrace, and they did. This is the TDST line from Tom DeMark. You can see how we're right at support. Here's your Bollinger Band. Here's your TDST line support. Now support goes to a bar under this line, but that doesn't mean you have to go a bar under the line, and it doesn't mean support has to hold. Just know that you've had a straight line drop to support, but not through it. And typically when that happens, if you don't gap down, support wins, at least for a day. Well, here's what we said. The pattern had the early high. Failure is a straight line drop, and we're starting the new down wave. Target in the 2790s. I don't see any reason to change that. Here's our wave count. You never know for certain if it's right, but as long as it works, we'll stick with it. And there's wave balance, 2790s. Doesn't mean other numbers don't work, but that one does. Well, if that's A and that's B, I can't count wave C as being completed. I mean, you could say that's ABC, but it looks too short to me. Doesn't mean you won't go up tomorrow, but I think there's more work to be done. Well, so far we just have a 61.8% retracement of the last rally, so there is support. Here's your diamond on stilts. Here's your stilt. Here's your stilt. Here's a diamond. Here's the origin of the left stilt. Normally holds the first time. We broke through at the last bar. I don't really trust it when you can't break through all day, and then when the professionals go home, then you break through. It's usually not the professionals who are giving up. It's the amateurs. And if that's true, we'll gap up tomorrow, which I think is quite possible because of this support. Wednesday's pattern has the early low. It could gap up first. Today's pattern is normally bullish. When it's bearish instead, one expects additional downside. Often comes immediately, but doesn't have to. Should be in wave blue C down. Use rallies to sell. We're at support. First challenge of the diamond on stilts usually holds, and the Yom Kippur holiday tomorrow should reduce the number of market participants. I don't have a call specifically for tomorrow. Often when that happens, we close little change. So if we gap up and close little change, I'll be happy, but I'm not. That's not something I'm willing to bet money on. I think it's possible, but not guaranteed. We're still in this wave, blue C down. When it's over, we have a super rally to new all-time highs. We're not there yet, and that's today's call.